Here's where the fuse boxes are located on a 2009 Nissan Rogue. You're going to have your air box. There'll be 1, 2, 3 of these connectors you got to pop that up, and then there's 2 under the hood right here. And then to get this one out, you'll push it on that tab and get it up. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but you can see. And then this one, you're gonna have to pull all these tabs back and then pop it up to get underneath it. And then the relays and that are down there. And then in the cab, you have in the driver's side, you got your interior fuse box down here and the 2 relays. That's where they're located on the 2009 Nissan Rogue. This one here is more of a modular, but there are fuses in there. And then, yeah, just make sure to clip it back down.